All right, today we are diving into something really cool, how you can basically build your own personal AI research department. We're going to see how two different AI tools can team up to take all that messy research you've got and turn it into a polished, finished product. And yeah, it's going to save you a ton of time.
So, let's just kick things off with a simple question. What if you had one AI that could just dig through all your documents, find the golden nuggets, and then a second AI that could take those insights and whip up, say, a business plan in minutes? Sounds like something out of a movie, right? Well, it's not. It's exactly what happens when you combine Google's NotebookLM with Anthropic's Claude.
Okay, so first up, let's talk about this idea of an AI research department and, the big problem it's really trying to solve. And that challenge, well, it's this. It's turning this giant, messy pile of raw information, articles, data, videos, into something focused and actually useful. A finished piece of work. If you've ever done any kind of research, you know the struggle. This part can take forever.
All right, section 2. Let's meet your AI team. Because the solution here isn't one single super AI. It's actually two specialists working together.
Okay, so here's the breakdown of the team. Think of NotebookLM as your research specialist. And this is key. It's grounded. That means it only uses the sources you give it. No making things up. It gives you precise, cited answers straight from your material. Then you've got Claude. Claude is your analyst and your creator. This is the AI that's brilliant at deep thinking, structuring complex ideas, and writing. So in short, NotebookLM finds the facts, and Claude uses those facts to build the story. And NotebookLM is incredibly flexible. I mean, you're not just limited to text files. You can throw PDFs, research papers, websites, Google Docs, and get this, even YouTube videos and audio files at it. This is so important because it becomes an expert assistant that is trained privately and exclusively on your stuff. It knows your project inside and out. Okay, now this is one of my favorite features in NotebookLM. It's called Audio Overviews. It can literally turn your documents into a conversation, like a mini podcast, between two AI hosts. It's such a cool and powerful way to absorb really complex info when you're on the go, maybe walking the dog or commuting. So if NotebookLM is the super smart researcher, what makes Claude the perfect partner? Well, it really comes down to its massive context window. You can just think of that as its short-term memory. And because its memory is so huge, it can process an enormous amount of information all at once. This makes it absolutely perfect for generating those big, sophisticated, long-form documents. It's really built for the heavy lifting of creation. Okay, on to section 3, the three-phase AI workflow. Let's get practical and see how you actually do this. The magic here is a new, direct connection that lets these two tools talk to each other. So instead of all that tedious copying and pasting between windows, Claude can now directly ask questions to your research sitting inside NotebookLM. This basically turns Claude into the command center for your entire project. And it all boils down to this really simple 3-step process. First, you start in Claude to organize all your messy thoughts and initial ideas, and you turn them into a nice, clean outline. Second, you pop over to NotebookLM for the grounded research. You upload your sources, you get fact-checked summaries with citations, and then finally, you bring all those verified insights back to Claude for the final push, creating that report or script or whatever it is. It's a simple cycle. Ideate, verify, and then create. All right, section 4, from research to reality. This all sounds great in theory, right? But how does it actually work in the real world? Well, for entrepreneurs, imagine feeding NotebookLM a bunch of market research papers and then having Claude draft a full-blown business plan from it. Or for students, NotebookLM can create summaries and quizzes right from your textbooks, and then Claude can act like a personal tutor, explaining any concepts you're stuck on. And for creators, like me, you can analyze interview transcripts in NotebookLM and then have Claude write a polished video script using all the best quotes and insights. The possibilities are huge. And look, here's the bottom line. This workflow isn't just some neat party trick. It's a genuine productivity multiplier. We're talking about a process that can slash your research time from hours, maybe even days, down to just minutes. And this all points to a much bigger idea, The future of AI in our work isn't about finding one single super AI that does everything perfectly. It's about learning how to build a team of specialized AIs where each one plays to its own strengths, and they all work together seamlessly. So we're really looking at a much more collaborative future with our AI tools, which brings us to the final question, and this one's for you. Now that you have the playbook for building your own AI team,
What are you going to create with it?